So what's your blog about exactly?
Well, my husband has a.
I have
Oh, so it's yours.
it's mine.
Oh,
I have a YouTube channel.
Interesting. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was for you.
I have a little bit, but it's more for. I think he's doing it for him.
Okay,
So
so
more. Mine is about cooking. I like to cook. I like to eat.
Mine is anything.
anything? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. How long have you been doing it?
Just this year.
Okay.
Just started actually.
Okay, well this is a good anything kind of topic.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so funny. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't wait to see it. You're gonna come on in, and then if you just want to fill out that form on the chair, it should take you a few minutes, and then put a shape, and then I have you approve it, and
Okay.
then as well as the color. So it's
Okay.
not going to be like a surprise or anything.
All right.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and
Lay down.
lay down here. Thank you. All right. I mean, it depends what's in it. Like some of them are really gentle and they won't be doing that. But if there's like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, things like that,
Sitting
then
on
yeah.
my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my jungle, jungle. And I'm on wing again.
I have a question.
Sure.
Do you have any man client here?
Yeah.
No, I mean real man. That'll be
Yeah, I
interesting.
think so. Remember to breathe
Yes.
and let me know if you have any problems, okay? Alright, here we go. Okay?
Not bad.
Yeah. Maybe like a few days.
Okay.
Your skin probably, like, you know how it's red right now? That's probably how it's gonna look like for like 3 days. All right, so we're gonna leave that on for about 25 minutes.
A few moments later.
It looks darker, but are you saying it's gonna fade?
Yes.
Oh,
So,
so-
it's
I
gonna
see,
fade.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so today it might look perfect, but you know, in
Okay.
a couple weeks you'll be like, I don't really see it, you know.
She'll be
Okay.
back anyway in 8 weeks, right?
Right.
That's
So
Okay.
I rather be conservative now
Mm-hmm.
than
Okay.
go too dark.
You
so
do what you need to do. What you
Okay.
think is yeah.
all right.
she's leaving her beautiness.
They usually do. Some of them have no idea what they want
Right,
when they
exactly.
come in. Because, you know, how would you know? You know. So it's, you know, going to be perfect the first couple days and then it fades. Do you mind if I trim some of your hair? So is your thickener just like a gel or like a shampoo?
I have everything.
Got it. You're using it all? Oh my
I
god.
have the oil. I have everything.
A few moments later.
They look pretty good.
Yeah, looks natural. I
Yeah.
really like
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be swollen. It's gonna be red. But other than that, they look really good.
I usually put the thicker eyebrows, but this is the most natural I could get right
Yeah.
now. Yeah. Yeah. I really like it.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
weekend, guys.
You
Bye.
too. Bye. Thank you.